Today, we're diving into Google Search Console Insights, a new, powerful, and easy-to-use tool that provides a clear snapshot of your top-performing content and how people are discovering you. Hi, I'm Marta, creator of The Social School and digital marketing consultant, where I help small business owners optimize their online presence. Whether you're blogging, updating your product pages, or just trying to grow your site traffic, this feature is a goldmine. So let's break it down. Google Search Console Insights pulls data from Google Search Console, which tracks how your site shows up in Google search results, and Google Analytics, which tracks what people do once they're actually on your site. So to get started, make sure your website is connected to both Search Console and Google Analytics. I'll link those video tutorials. In Insights, the key sections are your content, which shows your most recently published pages and whether they've started getting traction. This is great for blog posts, product launches, or even updating landing pages. Queries leading to your site, where you'll see the top Google search queries that led people to your site. These are actual keywords your audience is typing into Google. And finally, top country. These aren't just vanity metrics. This is actionable intel. You'll know what content to double down on. You'll understand what search terms are actually bringing in traffic, and you'll spot opportunities to improve your engagement and SEO. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more digital marketing tips just like this. And if you have any questions about social media, drop them in the comments and check out my group coaching program, The Social School. I'll link that below.